After about 2 years of almost daily usage here in my home gym, this Apple Watch armband is no longer usable. The fastener on this armband works by having this Velcro square attached to the leg of fabric, and as you can see, over time it has caused the fabric to weaken significantly to the point where the square can no longer stay attached to it. And now whenever I'm exercising, this armband will fall off and fly away, and I have to stop myself in the middle of my workout to retrieve it and unpause it so I can keep tracking the calories that I'm burning. So to replace it, I decided to try out this nylon armband set that I found on Amazon. I picked this set specifically because it not only comes with a secondary armband that you can use as a backup if anything happens first, but also these bands are made completely out of nylon, which should prove to be a lot more durable than the lighter fabric. These armbands do also use Velcro to attach to themselves, but as you can see, the Velcro is distributed into 5 smaller strips instead of one giant square, which I also theorize is going to better distribute the wear and tear on the band itself and therefore make it last longer over time. But of course, this is all theory until we put it to the test. So I'm going to show you how to attach this to your Apple Watch and adjust it around your arm. And then I'm going to stress test it by doing some of my more intense exercises, especially those that involve a lot of arm movement while wearing it. And we're going to see if it falls off. And I'll also give my honest opinion on whether or not it's uncomfortable or itchy or anything like that. So here we go. So attaching this to your Apple Watch is fairly straightforward. There are 2 metal tabs that are exactly the same as the tabs on your normal Apple Watch band. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the top one, put it through the top part of the watch, and get the bottom part, put it through the bottom part of the watch. And then we want to adjust it to a point that we think will fit on our arm before putting our arm through and then of course sealing it. As you can see too, there is a catching mechanism at the bottom to stop the loop from getting completely undone in case you go too far, which I think is a really nice touch. Now I'm going to secure this on my arm. I like to normally put my watch above my tricep and closer to my shoulder area. Put it up here. Supposedly this band will adapt to your muscles as you expand and contract them, but we're going to go ahead and put that to the test. And there we go. It looks like this armband really does adapt to different muscle contractions. It's fairly comfortable, and most importantly, it has stayed put the entire time throughout my workout. So if you're looking for an affordable yet durable and high quality armband to use with your Apple Watch when you work out, then pick up this nylon band set for yourself today and you'll be good to go.